Today in Dr. Lou's kitchen, we're making shrimp fried rice. You are going to love this. You're going to need snow peas and garlic and scallions and eggs. You're going to need mushrooms and baby shrimp. You're going to need canola oil and sesame oil. You're also going to need sugar and chopped or minced ginger. Let's get started. Light the fire and add the canola oil to the wok, getting it very hot. Once the egg is added, you're going to want it to cook really fast. Stir it up a little bit. We're basically making scrambled eggs here. Once the egg is essentially scrambled, you're going to remove it from the pan. It can be a little undercooked. I just added a little bit of soy sauce there. Take it off the heat, add some canola oil, and then I'm going to add this minced garlic. Let that cook for a couple seconds on medium heat. The scallions have been chopped and added. Let those cook and stir them up with the rice. This is a jasmine rice. That's what you want to use. We're adding a little bit of chopped ginger. And we're going to stir it all together. Now we're adding a little extra oil because we're about to add the shrimp and we want to give them a little bit of fat to cook in. Here come the shrimp. And then we're going to stir this all together as well. You'll see I'm cooking them a little bit on the side before I add them to the rice. There's some soy sauce. Stir it all up. In come the snow peas that have been sliced lengthwise into little shreds. You can really cut them however you want, but this is really nice. You'll notice I continue to add soy sauce to the mixture in the pan. The reason that I'm doing this is because I'm looking for a nice brown color, but not too dark, in the rice and the other ingredients. There was some more. There go the mushrooms. And we're going to stir those up and let them cook in a bit as well. I'm adding a little bit of sesame oil there. That'd be about a teaspoon. As we zoom in, you'll see that there's a little glisten to the rice and to the vegetables. That's partly from the oil and from the soy sauce as well. But it's how you want it to look. There's some sugar. This will add a little bit more shine to the rice. And it'll also balance some of the salty taste. There's a tad bit more sesame oil, and I'm going to add a little bit more soy sauce here as well. Then mix it up. Now we're going to reintroduce the egg to the mixture of fried rice. Chop it up a little bit, stir it around, evenly distributing it throughout the rice. This is going to be so good. And some last minute touches, a little taste, and we're going to need a little bit more soy sauce and a little bit more sesame oil and a little bit more sugar. We're going to stir it up and get ready to serve it on its own. Enjoy.